Today, data center management has become more complex with the numerous infrastructures, multiple storage infrastructures to update and maintain, network infrastructures, multiple servers, processors and memory, considerations of virtualization, management and monitoring, not to mention the issues of different operating systems, databases, business applications, workloads. All of this requires a lot of resources and an understanding of infrastructures by the production team, and provides no commercial value. What can you do to keep these systems in working order? Which management using? How can you save time and cut costs by transforming your data center into an IT service-centric? How, you ask? With the vPack cloud package, storage, networks and servers are unified. Virtualization, provisioning and chargeback are ready to use. There are many benefits. Cost reduction, complete and unified integration, production teams focused on business, fast implementation, premium quality services. With a cloud builder partner like Axians, you can solve all of these equations. Axians is the specialist for your IT transformation, so don't wait. Contact us.